I have to butt in. We will continue this conversation. Apologies, we're just hitting market open. First rate starting to come through, 24,495. The bank Nifty is absolutely flat. The Sensex is flat. The small cap index is yet to open. That's not 1.5% down. It'll just start to, yeah, there you go. So now it's slightly higher. It's absolutely flat actually. So first rate starting to come through. Mid-cap index is up about 22 odd points as well. Now we'll start to do this, stock spotting, right? What's moving, how much is moving across sectors on the back of GST and otherwise in just a bit. The Nifty heat map is up on your screen. You've got, 35 odd names which are higher. The rest of them are down in the red. And Kotak Bharti on one end, and there is Mahindra and Shriram Finance on the other end. Shriram Finance, by the way, was one of the big losers yesterday as well, meaningful losers yesterday as well. 50 higher on the Nifty now, so 24,545. Surabhi.
Shriram Finance, Prashant, this week has lost about 8%. So perhaps it has something to do with some inputs talking about stress building up in MSME and if there is a second order effect of tariffs, etc. Perhaps that could explain some of it, but there's a meaningful decline on the stock this week, down another 0.5% today. The other one that's actually started lower is Mahindra & Mahindra. Despite all the positive brokerage notes and Jefferies turning optimistic on the stock, it's opening down about 2%. M&M has also lost about 5% for this week. But overall, the Nifty is not looking bad at 40 points higher. So let's see what's taking it higher. A whole bunch of consumer stocks. There's Nestle, there's ITC, there is Lever, there is Asian Paints. If you look at autos, and names like Tata Motors are doing actually pretty okay. Jio Finance is up about 0.5%. Tata Steel, by the way, there have been in reports about China cutting back on its steel capacity to reduce the overcapacity and the glut in the market. That seems to be favoring names like Tata Steel as well. Reliance ahead of the AGM up about 0.5%. So all in all, fairly strong. And Kotak, of course, reacting to the positive brokerage commentary as well, up 1.5%. So overall, it's not a bad start at all for the Nifty. Manglam.
Not a bad start at all for the Nifty. For the broader markets as well, we have nearly 3 stocks advancing for every stock which is declining. Obviously, it's early days at the open itself, but it's a secular FMCG rally that we're seeing. Colgate is up around 2.5% in the broader markets. We have Dabur, which is 1.5% higher. Godrej Consumer, another one which is about 1.5% higher as well. On the way down, we do have Nykaa, which is down about 2.5%. Paytm is also seeing some bit of profit taking, and thereafter we have SBI Card and Phoenix Mills, both of them down by about 1.5% and 2% each. PNG Health from the broader markets has been doing well all through, pre-open as well. This month it's up around 12%, currently sitting with a gain of close to 5%, and we have, some sort of volumes building up on that one too. Relaxo Footwears, there is expected to be some relief coming in at the lower end of the footwear segment for GST, and Relaxo Footwear obviously has the lowest average selling price in the listed footwear universe. So that stock up around 4.5%, has been a struggler when it comes to returns to shareholders. So maybe some bit of bump up is what we're seeing from the lows. Bata is another one which is up around 2.5%, even though the company is looking to premiumize their portfolio. A large part still comes in from the sub-1,000 rupee category. So that stock too is up around 2% right now. Then you have names like Force Motors. Prashant was speaking about the auto space. Car Trade Tech is the other one which is up 3%. And Kitex Garments is the one which has announced, a new plant that they'll start producing from the Telangana plant. So that stock is up around 4% after seeing a big gash this week. It's down about 12% for the week despite the 4% up move that we're seeing right now. By and large, more stocks advancing than the number of stocks which are declining.
No, absolutely. And, we'll spot more as we kind of sort of go along. But it's 24,540 on the Nifty at this point in time. And we're about 30 odd points in the green. Let me